Phone handlebar mounts are a must-have accessory for cyclists, motorcyclists, and anyone who enjoys outdoor activities. There are many products available to choose phone handlebar mounts, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best phone handlebar mounts from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. iPow Motorcycle Phone Mount. The iPow Motorcycle Phone Mount is a universal bike phone holder compatible with smartphones from 4.0-inch to 6.5. It has a strong grasp and an upgrade-stable design that prevents your device from falling, even on bumpy roads. The 360 degrees horizontal and vertical rotation makes it suitable for most bikes and motorcycles. It is easy to install without tools and comes with extra soft red rubber lines for clamp to reduce vibration and avoid phone surface scratches. Number 2. VUP Bike Phone Mount Detachable. The VUP Bike Phone Mount is a detachable, universal bicycle phone holder that is compatible with all 4.0-inch-6.7 phones. It has adjustable elastic silicone straps that fit all 20 to 45 millimeters handlebars and can be easily installed and removed for bicycles, motorcycles, scooter handlebars, strollers, shopping carts, etc. The holder is 360 degrees rotatable and features curved silicone bands that never block the Face ID, home button, light sensor, and finger sensor, making it suitable for all screens. It has a lifespan of 5,000 stretches and is made of high-quality silicone materials to ensure long-lasting functional reliability. Number 3. Lamicall Bike Phone Holder Motorcycle Phone Mount. The Lamicall Bike Phone Holder is a safe and sturdy way to mount your phone to your bike or motorcycle handlebars. The holder features a special shape that grips each corner of your phone tightly, ensuring its safety even on bumpy roads. With shockproof protection and silicone pads, your phone will be protected from scratches and vibrations. The holder is adjustable, allowing for horizontal or vertical screen positioning, and is compatible with a wide range of devices. Installation is easy, and the holder can be used with various types of bicycles, motorcycles, and more. Number 4. Bike and Motorcycle Phone Mount. The Mongura Bike and Motorcycle Phone Mount is a practical and safe accessory for cyclists. It is compatible with iPhone and Galaxy phones and other devices up to 3.7-inch wide. The mount is secured with 2 metal bolts and 3 durable elastic silicone bands, ensuring stability and blocking no part of your phone screen. It can be rotated 360 degrees and installed easily, without additional tools. This phone mount makes a great gift for cycling enthusiasts. Number 5. Static Universal Motorcycle Phone Mount. This static bike mount is the perfect solution to keep your phone safe and secure while riding. Whether you're using it on a motorcycle, bike, or even a stroller, this phone mount ensures that your phone stays in place with its 4-corner security lock and ball joint clip. With this mount, you can easily navigate, switch music, or capture your ride with your phone's camera or video. It fits all 4.7 to 6.8-inch phones, including phone cases, making it suitable for both iPhone and Android users. The mount is compatible with all handlebars, from mountain bikes to scooters, and offers 360-degree adjustability for the perfect viewing angle. With the static bike mount, you'll have a secure and convenient way to use your phone while on the go.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.